My name is Olaf Stange. I'm working for Bayer, a life science company, and I'm leading the Scope 3 Decarbonisation Accelerator program. So I'm the supplier decarbonization lead for Bayer, working with all our suppliers together to reduce the carbon emission of our suppliers. Bayer is a life science company. It has three divisions. One is the crop science division, one is the pharmaceuticals division, and one is the consumer health division. And we have the mission Health for All, Hunger for None. So this is why we're also working intensively also on sustainability, but also driving our products in the right direction with the farmers, for the customers, and also for the patients in the world to deliver benefit to them to reach our targets and to make the world better. I spoke today about the decarbonization of the value chain. So this is something where we work closely together with our suppliers to reduce their emission, which they deliver to us. So normally the emissions are not written on the product. So this is normally the CO2 emission as we work for the climate to reduce really our carbon footprint, their carbon footprint, so that we have a lower carbon footprint and can also deliver lower emission products to our customers. So this is where we're working with supplier engagement, we're looking for greener opportunities, we're talking about alternative feedstocks, we're talking about using carbon pricing and other methodologies to reduce really our carbon footprint, because sustainability is part of our business and we're taking this as equal as we do the business of it. We had a round table, so that was really interesting setup because we had 5 nice presentations from different angles, from regulatories, from a public-private partnership, from several companies, where they all talk about either products or other approaches to sustainability or how regulators look on sustainability. And this was very helpful for us because then we can look in the discussion later on, where we have a discussion between the speakers and also between the audience, talking about topics which comes across. So what is the major challenges? What are the best strategy to overcome maybe and to reduce climate emissions and all these other things we have to do to deal within the sustainability aspects. Oh, it was very nice organized, so I liked it very much. There was always a contact person, you have your personal manager, which was very helpful to organize the whole event. There was also put a little bit of pressure to us, but nevertheless it was always in a very nice and professional style. And I think the organization so far, it's the first day, works really perfect, and I'm looking forward to the rest of the event.